Thank you very much. And congratulations first, President Tsai, on tonight's result. A few months ago, you were struggling in the polls. Many people suggest that the turnaround in your fortunes is because of the actions of China. Its threats that you've mentioned tonight, its putting of the aircraft carrier through the Taiwan Strait, the situation in Hong Kong. So my question to you is this. Do you think you have the Chinese President Xi Jinping to thank for this victory?
这次的选举，
蔡总统，我想要请问您，前阵子您可能还在民调低迷中挣扎，另外我们也历经了中共战机的威胁以及香港的问题。那我想问您的是，您会如何处理台湾与中国的关系？
那么这次的选举的结果彰显出台湾人民的价值，也就是我们台湾人民拒绝一国两制，坚持主权跟民主的生活方式。那么身为台湾的总统，就必须在台湾的民意的基础上来处理两岸关系。那么刚刚在开始发言的时候呢，我也用了相当多的时间来讲述过去我们处理两岸关系的态度，跟未来我们要处理两岸关系的方法。那我也希望这一次的选举的结果能够给予中国带来一个很正确的讯息，让他们可以清楚地了解台湾人民的期待跟台湾人民的坚持。那我也更期待他们可以理解一个关系的和平稳定跟发展来自于双方的共同的努力，绝不是一个单方所承担的作为。那么我们也愿意在我刚才讲的4个基础之上，我们一起来开启一个良性互动的时代。
As I said earlier, the results of this election shows the value of the Taiwanese people, and that is, we reject the one country, two systems model on Taiwan proposed by President Xi Jinping. We value the lifestyles of democracy and we defend our sovereignty. As the President of Taiwan, it is my responsibility to deal with cross-strait issues upon such a foundation. I just talked about how we dealt with cross-strait relations in the past and how we will deal with cross-strait relations in the future. I hope that the results of today's election clearly delivers the right signal to China. We hope that they understand the expectations of the Taiwanese people and our perseverance and insistence. We must once again reiterate that the peaceful and stable development of the Taiwan Strait is a common responsibility on both sides of the strait. Therefore, only on this foundation can we move forward in dealing with our cross-strait relations.